In this video, I'm going to show you how to minimize visual clutter with toggles, specifically using Notion, so you can keep your pages clean, focused, and easy to navigate without deleting any important information. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by long pages filled with old content, notes, or completed months, this method is going to be a game changer for you. Toggles let you hide information until you actually need it, which makes your workspace feel lighter and more organized instantly. If you enjoy Notion tips like this and want to get more productive with your digital workspace, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to the Notion page where you want to reduce visual clutter. This could be a planning page, a journal, a content calendar, or even a personal dashboard. Open the page and take a moment to identify sections that you no longer need to see every day but still want to keep for reference. A common example is monthly content, like February 2026, once that month is finished. Instead of deleting it or letting it take up space, we're going to archive it neatly using a toggle. Next, make sure you already have a toggle created on your page. If you don't, you can quickly create one by typing // and selecting Toggle from the block menu. Name this toggle something clear and simple, like Archives, Past Months, or Completed Work. This toggle will act as a container where you store older content that you don't need visible all the time. Once your toggle is ready, locate the content you want to hide. In this example, find the section for February 2026. Click and drag that entire section, including all its subblocks, and move it directly into the Archives toggle. When you drop it inside, you'll see the content nest neatly under the toggle, instantly removing it from your main view. Now comes the most satisfying part. Click on the toggle arrow to close it. As soon as you do this, all that archived content disappears from view, leaving your page clean, minimal, and much easier to focus on. Whenever you need to reference that old information, you can simply click the toggle again to expand it and see everything inside. Nothing is deleted, nothing is lost, it's just hidden until you need it. This approach is especially useful if you manage ongoing projects, monthly planning systems, or long-term notes. By regularly moving completed sections into toggles, your Notion pages stay fast, readable, and stress-free. It also helps you stay focused on what actually matters right now, instead of scrolling past outdated information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to minimize visual clutter with toggles in Notion and keep your workspace organized without sacrificing access to past content. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, productivity workflows, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.